Hello guys, I am Kaleem Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1, so subscribe our channel Kaleem TV1 and press the bell icon for more informative videos. In this video we shall provide information about Skardu. Now we start video. The capital town of the largest district Skardu of Gilgit Baltistan region. Skardu Valley is surrounded by three world famous ranges: crock, Himalaya and Ladakh. Famed as the climber's paradise, Skardu Valley is the trekking hub to four of the world's highest summits: Glacier Brahm 1, Glacier Brahm 2, Broad Peak and K2. It contains the most spectacular and fascinating mountainous region of the world, where hundreds of virgin peaks still lying unclimbed, challenging climbers the world over. Trekkers and climbers from all over the world hustle to trek through these mighty peaks so as to expand their list of summits. Hiking among them is an exceptional experience, but exploring the valley and the local culture is equally rewarding. Times change, but what does not change is the magnetism of Skardu Valley for local and foreign tourists. Forest, breeze, diverse wildlife, blossoming trees of apricots, cherry and mulberry, the serenity of the meadows and mighty mountains ranges fascinate travel enthusiasts. Now, climate of Skardu. The summer climate of Skardu is moderate with low levels of rain throughout the year. Average temperature staggers between 24 degrees Celsius maximum to 4 degrees Celsius minimum. During March to September, severe winter season is marked with freezing temperatures dropping to -10 degrees Celsius from October to February. Afterwards, it starts climbing up the scale again. Skardu is 637 kilometers away from Islamabad. 14 to 20 hour drive or 1 hour scheduled flight. To reach Skardu from Islamabad, tourists either travel with road or by air. PIA is the only airline operating in the area so far. The valley is open for tourists throughout the year. However, the best time to visit Skardu Valley is between June and September, when there is greenery everywhere. Access to Skardu by road via Naran Babusar Chilas Road is not possible during November to March period, which sometime extends till May due to heavy snowfall and possible landslides. However, the less taken route is via Mansehra, Batgram, Chilas, which features dry mountains and dangerous roads. Trip to Skardu is the most rewarding experience. Journeying through Crock highway towards Skardu, there is an endless array of natural attraction all around. As you start traveling away from the capital city Islamabad toward the heavenly north of Pakistan, the ghastly rapid and verdant river Kanhar joins you from Mount Sahara, 282 kilometers from Islamabad. Break journey in Naran Valley to the visit Lake Saiful Maluk, Shogran and Siri Pai, each a wonderful spectacle in itself. Some things not to be missed. Moving forward, Lalusar Lake, Babusar Pass and Fairy Meadows are some of the major attractions along the route to Skardu. So guys, what makes Skardu Valley special from all other places is its diverse landscape packed with natural treasures, its rich history and cultural heritage. The valley offers you sight of the world's highest mountain ranges, enchanting lakes, meadows, panoramic waterfall, the cold desert, historic forts and festivals, all of it. As you travel towards Sugar Valley, taking Sugar Road, Surfranga Cold Desert is at a distance of 16 kilometers. This cold desert is the world's highest cold desert, locally called Bayama Nekpo in China language, meaning black sand. Driving on the asphalted Sugar Road running through the wide dunes of cold desert leads you to Sugar Valley. The valley rich in mineral wealth and tasty fruits like walnuts, grapes, peaches, pears and apricots is on an hour's drive from Skardu. The higher you travel, the more enchanting becomes the scenic beauty of the region. Nanzok Organic Village, Satpara Lake, Upper Kachura and Lower Kachura Lake are the gems that Skardu Valley proffers to its guests. From more adventurous haunted Deusai Plains near Skardu is a few hours drive away by jeep. Deusai National Park is ranked as the second highest plateau in the world, which is home to plenteous species of plants and animals including brown bears and snow leopards. Walking through the colorful plains adorned by hundreds of vibrant flowers, you can explore Shusar Lake in the neighborhood. Guys, you can go for a trek on one of the many trekking sites in and around Skardu Valley. Few among the trekking and climbing heaven are rock climbing in Krakram Range, K2 Base Camp, Mesher Brahm Base Camp, Barzil Pass, etc. Among all these attractions, Skardu Valley is surrounded by a few astounding valleys, hiding the jewel of natural beauty in their lap. These valleys are located at small distances from main Skardu city and are approachable after a drive of few hours. The main valleys around Skardu include Sugar Valley, Kheplo Valley, Rama Valley, Ropal Valley, Ispar Valley, Harmaush Valley and Estur. Hunza Valley in the extreme north of Skardu is famous for its mountain peaks and ancient water towers such as the Baltit Fort and Eltit Fort. So guys, now thanks for watching.